My name is Ola Mantimoyo. I'll be talking about positive and negative numbers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Neighbor sign rule. This occurs when there are two signs next to each other, usually during the distributive property. This rule tells you how to merge the signs that are already next to each other, but not what the outcome of the merge would be. The neighbor sign rule is a tool to help you add and subtract positive and negative numbers. So for the first sign in the equation, you have something positive, that means you get something. If you have negative, that means you lose something. For the second sign of the equation, if you have a positive, that means you get something good. You have a negative, that means you get something bad. So a plus positive c equals a plus c. A minus positive c equals a minus c. A plus negative c equals a minus c. And a minus negative c equals a plus c. Equations are 8 plus negative 11 equals 8 minus 11, which equals negative 3. 13 minus negative 4 equals 13 plus 4, which equals 17. Next, we're going to talk about the neighbor sign rule with more than one sign. So here we have 4 plus positive 3 minus 2 plus negative 4 plus 6. So first we have to use the neighbor sign rule, and we have to combine these two positives. Makes only one positive, and combine the positive and negative creates the negative. So that's 4 plus 3 minus 2 minus 4 plus 6. Okay, so now we would put the positives on one side and the negatives on the other side. So the positives in this are 4 plus 3 plus 6. And we would add that to negative 2 and negative 4. So what we would do with that is we would add up the left side. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we have positive 13. And then on the right side, we have negative 2. We have 2 plus 4. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So we would do negative 6. Okay. Now, positive 13 plus negative 6. So something good plus something bad. So that means we would be subtracting in this. So that would equal positive 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 is 7. And that is the answer to this equation. Okay, let's move on. Next is multiplication rule. Same sign gives positive, and different sign gives negative. So example, positive whatever number times positive whatever number equals a positive outcome. Another example, negative whatever number times negative whatever number also equals a positive outcome. Positive whatever number times negative whatever numbers equals a negative, and negative whatever number times positive whatever number equals negative as well. So as we can see, if the signs that you're multiplying are the same, then it will equal positive every single time, because as we see, positive plus positive equals positive, and negative plus times negative also equals positive. And that means if the signs are different, then they will both equal negative. So now we're gonna go over the equations. So positive 7 times positive 3 equals positive 21. Negative 7 times negative 3 equals positive 21. Positive 7 times negative 3 equals negative 21. And negative 7 times positive 3 equals negative 21. So, next, division rule. Okay, division rule is pretty simple. So we have positive number divided by a positive number equals a positive number. We have a positive number divided by negative number equals negative number. Negative number divided by a positive number equals a negative number. A negative number divided by a negative number equals positive number. So it's the same thing as previously with the multiplication. The signs are the same, and the answer is positive. The signs are different. The answer is negative. So equations. Positive 21 divided by positive 7 equals positive 3. Positive 21 divided by negative 7 equals negative 3. Positive 21 negative 21 divided by positive 7 equals negative 3 as well. And negative 21 divided by negative 7 equals positive 3. Thank you. That is adding, subtracting, and multiplying positive and negative numbers. I hope you enjoy.